Hello, welcome back guys to Spotoria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change hotspot name on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I have you guys click subscribe and the bells button below to support the channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first thing first, here you just have to open the hotspot page. Of course, here the first step, tap on the settings application, and after go to the network and internet. And after go to the hotspot and tethering options. Tap on this Wi-Fi hotspot and we'll see this is the first option, which is the hotspot name. To change it, you just have to tap on it and we can delete it first, the first name here, and after enter the hotspot name that you want. Now click on OK, and yeah, as we can see, the hotspot name is already changed here guys. And to enter to this page, which is the hotspot page, we can also open it from the control center. Here I'm gonna scroll it down and we'll see the hotspot option. Just tap on it and press it, and yeah, as you can see, we'll enter to this Wi-Fi hotspot again easily. So yeah, I think it's enough from me guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.